This 2014 Audi A7 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Audi A7 Prestige Package Driver Assistance Package Brushed Aluminum Inlays Audi Adaptive Cruise Control Audi Presence Plus Audi Active Lane Assist Corner View Camera Audi Side Assist Bose Premium Sound Systems Line Exterior 3.0 V6 Engine 8-speed Automatic Transmission Bluetooth Connectivity Navigation System Rear View Camera Front Parking Assist Heated front seats Cooled front seats Memory front seats Power rear trunk opener Keyless entry Keyless start Heated exterior mirrors Automatic power windows Power folding mirrors Phantom black pearl effect Exterior black leather Interior floor mats Owner's manual Original window sticker $71,595 MSRP new. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2014 Audi A7 3.0 Prestige is no exception. We provide low cost worldwide. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.